QuickBooks integration process for virtual terminal and card-present transactions. Start by navigating to the Settings module within the Merchant login and selecting the QuickBooks tab. Click the Authenticate button. This will log the merchant directly into their QuickBooks account and connect it to Valor's portal. Once connected, the company ID and status will automatically populate. Merchants can then choose which amounts will post to QuickBooks, either the base amount only or the base amount along with tips, taxes, differentials, or other additions. There is also an option available to disable inventory tracking if needed. At the top of the screen, there is a second subcategory that supports QuickBooks integration for card-present transactions. Card-present provides two options for handling invoices. The first is auto-generate, where the terminal automatically generates an invoice number and sends the transaction details directly to QuickBooks. The second option is manual, where merchants create an invoice within QuickBooks, use that invoice number on the Valor terminal, and complete the transaction to sync it with QuickBooks. For the manual option, merchants can set minimum and maximum character lengths for invoice numbers and customer names. They can also select which EPIs will be used for card-present transactions. Once the settings are configured, click Update. A success message will confirm the changes. After that, a partial download must be performed on the terminals that were configured, ensuring they are ready to send transactions directly to QuickBooks. QuickBooks Virtual Terminal Transaction. From the virtual terminal, merchants can process sales, recurring billing, refunds, e-invoices, and hosted payment page transactions. Simply check the box to have Valor System automatically generate an invoice number. Then select a customer from the list, enter the transaction amount, for example $125, and click Process Payment. Within the QuickBooks platform, navigate to Sales and then All Sales to view the completed transactions. The search bar can also be used to find specific transactions, including the $125 payment that was just processed. The virtual terminal offers powerful tools to send transaction details directly into QuickBooks. QuickBooks Card-Present Transactions. At the terminal level, a sale can be entered manually. Enter an amount, for example $100, confirm the entry, input the customer's name, and then enter the invoice number, such as 14564. Once the details are entered, complete the sale. After returning to QuickBooks, the new payment will appear immediately, confirming that the integration is working as intended.